You're just a shit host. Like, I come in here and I'm massaging food.
You're not a guest anymore. Good morning. Oh, those girls. They did not love my singing. But good morning, everybody. Another day, another hot girl walk. Can you imagine? It's like 7:30 right now. Where the sun at? The floor is kind of slippery, but not like too slippery. But we're making it happen. We're making it work. This frozen lake is the wildest to me. I kind of wish I had a peanut to like throw on it. And there are footprints. Who is here? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We are in the unforgiving light. I look like a robber of, I don't know, Rainbow Land. I'm not too sure. I don't know if I want to steal something, but I don't know. What is up, beautiful people? Good morning. Good morning. It is Thursday. It is Thursday morning. It's cold, but it's not that cold. Like, yesterday was cold and icy. Like, I could only walk so much because I was like, listen, I'm about to slip and slide up with this piece, and we're not about it. But yeah, welcome to my walking series, because it seems like every single time I pick up the camera, I'm out here walking. But yeah, so today was another day. I just wanted to be outside. I'm just like, oh, I'm literally getting cabin fever. Like, I want to go somewhere, but I'm like, where are you going? I want to go somewhere with nowhere to go. But yeah, so today I'm not going out. Instead, I'm just filming content, really. I'm just trying to film as much content as I can before, like, we start. That's some interesting. I've got nails. I'm gonna save this until I get home. I got nails. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna save that. And yeah, I don't know what else to tell you. I'm vlogging in public. People might be looking, but at the same time, it's dark. And they might not be, so. And at the same time, they just might not care, period. Okay, period. It just might be a case that it's all in my head. But yeah, they don't care. Afternoon, friends. Good afternoon. I have been filming 1, watching TV 2, half editing 3. I'm actually at the moment making a tomato sauce. Yeah, I know. I've got all of this, all my ingredients prepped. I'm just waiting for the oven to preheat, and then I'm going to put it in, and then after that, it's off to the races. I also did this Valentine's Day Luke. I actually really like it. Some of the hearts look a bit muffled, but that's okay. But yeah, so I really like this look. Zoe's coming back, okay? The Zoe that you knew and loved on YouTube, if you were here from the beginning, is back, because I just need to learn, like, I just need to make more face videos, and I also need to learn how to do and say at the same time, because it's really hard for me to do my makeup and talk at the same time. Unless you're a makeup artist who does it all the time, that's great for you. Like, you've got the skill. I don't. When I'm doing my makeup, I'm talking to myself. And if I'm really, really focused, I'm not talking at all. Like, we're standing in silence. We're doing in silence. I've actually got a parcel here from Velour Lashes, and I think I'm gonna like record a little something. Other than that, it's cold. It's snowy outside. I have a yoga class in a few hours, but lucky for me, it's not too far, so I don't have to do too much. Anyways, I feel like this week the content is not very the content isn't contenting, because I don't have anything to do this week. I don't have anywhere to be. I'm just trying to find the next movie to watch, really. I've been going through rom-coms like nobody's business, but they're great, so let me just keep on keeping on. And I also realized rom-coms today are not the same as what rom-coms used to be before. It was just so much nicer. I'm gonna look for something else to watch. I was gonna say Jump in the Broom, but I don't really want to watch that. I think I did The Perfect Find with Gabrielle Union. I initially watched the movies, had the book, and I was like, based on the movie, I do not want to read this book anymore. Ain't that wild? So I was like, I do not want to watch this book anymore because this movie was, like, it wasn't great. But I think it could have been great. I just think that certain people are not really actors. I feel like certain people are paid to be themselves and they act as the same person regardless of the role, regardless of the storyline. Like, they just act as themselves. Kevin Hart being one of them, of course, and The Rock. But I feel like Gabrielle Union might fall into that unless there's something else that she might be amazing in. But personally, like, I haven't come across any of her movies, like, or any of her works. I'm just like, you know what? She really ate that. So, I don't know. But let me know what you think. Like, am I tripping out? I feel like I'm not. What is up, people? Same day, different time. Same day, different workout. We're walking, but this time we're walking towards this yoga studio that I'm going to a class at. I've never been before, so it's going to be a completely new experience, I think. And I'll see how it goes. I think it's called Power Flow. It's actually snow raining right now, but before my camera gets too wet, I'm going to put it away because this is not GoPro. Morning, everybody. Happy pink morning. I needed a walk. I feel like a puppy, but honestly, I need to be outside. It is cold. Today I don't think that we have much on the agenda, honestly. I think, like, probably just create Valentine's Day content. Look at Toronto. Look how freaking foggy it is. It's giving Scary Movie. We are home, honey. Oh, I'm drinking water. Honey and a croissant. And I'm trying to figure out what to do next because I'm literally just like, what am I doing today? I have no plans. Hey y'all, good afternoon. I am back. I know there's been a whole timing that's gone by. Honestly, it hasn't been much. Like, I spoke to my mom. I received a parcel, and now I'm making patatas bravas. Patatas bravas for dinner. So I have my potatoes boiling. Sorry, no. I have my water boiling with baking soda inside. And then I've got my potatoes right here that I'm going to be peeling. I think I'm going to peel about 3 to 4 of them. Maybe 5, depending on how I feel. I'm excited to cook. I wanted to throw down today. I was like, patatas bravas, say less. And then also I'd made a tomato sauce earlier this week. Or was it last week? Yeah, earlier this week I made tomato sauce because we had far too many tomatoes. So I was like, hell, we're not trying to waste food this year. This year we're trying to be conscious about, like, preserving and not wasting food. So, which is why I'm trying to use up everything that we have in the fridge. Because ultimately, like last year, we were really bad with it. Like, we would buy stuff and not eat it. We literally would sit and it would just go bad. And this year, I'm trying to be a better me. And also, I'm trying to eat out less. I can't say I've been successful so far, but I'm definitely trying to eat out less and eat in more. And also cook and explore and find new recipes that are fun to cook and fun to eat. So that is where I'm at in my journey. Let me know what your cooking goals are. Are you guys cookers? Like, do y'all cook? Cookers, are y'all chefs? Do you cook? Do you like it? I love it personally. like I say, I cook my feelings. So whenever I'm feeling something big, mostly it's like negative emotions, sadly, when I feel the need to like cook it up and chef it up. But at this time in, like at this point in life, like I can't say it's negative emotions, more so just like a little stressed. But aside from that, we Gucci. We Gucci, darling. Good morning, everyone. I am on my way out. I'm heading to get my nails done. I just wanted to show you my look because honestly, I am so proud of what I put together today. It might be simple, but it's like, it's doing a lot for me. Personally, I'm wearing grey. I don't love grey, but we're wearing it. And this pop of blue is just everything to me. So I made it downtown. It's raining. As you can see, umbrella is up. And honestly, everyone's wearing a mask. And I did not know that COVID was really making its rounds like that, but she really be around town again. So I'm thinking maybe I should wear a mask. Well, only customer in the nail shop. I haven't figured out my nail design yet. This is like the inspo. I'm 100% trying to be a lover girl this year. Oh, and follow me on Pinterest, by the way. I'm out here on these Pinterest streets. But yeah, these need to get done. Like, oof. It's getting sad. I'm talking. Time to get my nails done. They're so cute. Right now I'm in Winners. I don't know what for. One, I want a notebook because I'm starting something exciting soon. And two, I just want to browse. Pose. I haven't been out of my house in such a long time. But these are so cute. Yeah, I might get these for all around. He's Italian, right? So I lied. I haven't been in the shop 5 minutes and I've already picked up 2 things. So one of them I think it would be really, really useful. Like, is this brush cleaner. You hold it, like you have it, you slide it onto your fingers, and then you clean your brush. Like, I've been having issues with that. I just clean it on the soap, which is kind of gross. 2 out of 3 things. 2 things I didn't need. I wanted. And the third thing I needed, but I didn't get. So that's it. So I'm gonna try and find it elsewhere. I might go to like mountain sports. I'm literally in the mountain equipment shop looking for thermals. Still giving eco-friendly prices. Ooh. People, what is up? I have a guest now.
Mine's all messy.
It's okay. And he's
You're supposed to be
squishing meat. Want a cookie?
Do we have cookies?
No, I don't have cookies.
So, scam artist.
Do you want an oat thing?
You have those?
I didn't make them, but I do have all the ingredients.
You're just a shit host. Like, I come here and I'm massaging food.
You're not a guest anymore. How is it, babe?
The aha? No. It's really good.
This is like...
It's really good.
It's basically from Italy.
In Italy, they don't do pasta meatballs.
They don't? What do they do?
They do pasta separate from the meatballs. You'll never see it on the same plate. In Italy.
It's only been once. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. It is 10 o'clock. I know it's a late start. We're going to make pancakes. I saw these like high protein pancakes on TikTok. So I'm going to try and make them. See how it goes. Give it a whirl. Whatever. I've already been in my cooking bag. Made meatballs and pasta. And then I also made cookie dough. It's going to go good. I don't know why, like, I'm in the dark lurking like a lurker, but hey.